Life Basis Ultrasonic Cleaner uses professional ultrasonic transducer. Just add the item into the water of the machine and turn it on. It will come about tens of thousands of tiny bubbles which implode under the action of the cavitation and produce tremendous energy vacuum that can remove the stain of the item's surface. What can we wash? Besides jewelry, glasses, and watches, we can also clean lenses, surgical instruments, tools, even industrial parts. We can easily see the results of cleaning. How to choose your ultrasonic cleaner? The series for home is small and exquisite. Just use tap water. Simple and practical operation. Suitable for daily cleaning and small items. The Professional series gets larger, equipped with industrial transducers. Besides adding water, cleanser makes better. Heating function and more selective operations. Industrial ultrasonic transducer is suitable for cleaning bigger and dirtier items.